Cool. Hello, everyone. So today, what am I going to be doing? Oh, I should probably change my title. I think I'm creating some enemies today. So I have some sprites, like some pixel art that I still haven't made into actual enemies yet, so let's start with that. Okay, open file, here it is. Okay. Let's open these up. Did that not go to my downloads? It is here, what the heck? Hello, I'm good. Just trying to get some work done on my game. How about you? There we go, okay. Can I open, oops. Good to hear. What is this? Okay. I don't need that. Okay, whatever. Been following since your first keeper vid. Oh, nice. Thanks for staying around. Okay. So here's the armadillo. Hey William, how's it going? So I actually commissioned this from the pixel artist that made a couple sprites for me. You like the Dilute one? Yeah. I'm trying to decide which one I want to use in the game, and then I'll give that one a darker outline. Pretty sick. Okay. Yeah, I do like that one. I'm just trying to think like which one fits better with the rest of the sprites. The bowl. Spider. The wraith. Cool. But yeah, today I really just want to like get some more enemies in the game, because we basically, in the Godot version, we only really have the slime now. But speaking of that, just making a note to myself, I think something I want to do first. Oh, by the way, these are a couple of maps I've been working on. This is the most complete one so far. But so are all the enemies wild? Not all of them. There are also like these slime enemies. Add the classic slime. Is this the classic slime? Or is there a different classic slime? All my camera areas got messed up. Oh, the green slime. Do I have that somewhere? Yeah, can't have a... I forget if I read that out loud already. Can't have a fantasy game without a slime enemy. Very true. I forget if there's a green slime in this version. Like, I remember there was at some point, but I forget if I remade that. Okay, just gotta set up the camera area first. Should work now. Yeah, okay, so the problem I want to fix is when you, like, attack them, they just... Okay, there's also this problem where they get stuck to you. I have no idea what that's happening. But anyways, when you hit them, they just instantly go back, and I want to make them, like, have a more smooth shape. Or not smooth shape, smooth, movement. Man, I remember the first ever video. Are you guys all, like, been watching since the first video? Yeah, the one with the procedural generation that I ended up not using. That first video. Spear Boy, yeah. Yeah, YouTube algorithm put your video in my feed, instant click, and I instantly loved it. It's good to hear. Yeah, I really need to get into making YouTube videos again for this game, but it's just like... I kind of, like, for the past, like, 7 months or so, I've been trying to focus on actually making the game. Which I know is kind of annoying for the viewers, but, like... Just making the videos slows me down so much, so it's hard to balance that. It's not a bug, it's a feature. Maybe them sticking to you could be something they can do, and you have to do a certain thing to get them unstuck. Yeah, that's an interesting idea too. Yeah, I really need to find out why that's happening. Like I said, like, I spent a little bit of time kind of digging around, seeing if I could figure it out, but, like, I still have no idea why that's happening. See if that fixed those errors we were getting. Should've. Yeah, we're good now. Hope you came up with cool secret rooms. Yeah, I've got some secrets planned for this game. Should be pretty cool, hopefully. Debugging can be so fun sometimes, yeah, exactly. I wish I knew why you can't just click on something in Godot. Like, it never lets you select it. That's so annoying. Keeper is keeping the keep, which is keeping the monsters. Interesting theory. I'm trying to think of ways that I could do like the knockback. Oh no, I can probably just make a vector for like knockback velocity. And like a float for knockback time remaining. Especially debugging OpenGL, yeah. I've worked a bit with OpenGL. Figuring out what your bugs are in that is not fun. And it really like does not help you at all with that. So like if knockback time remaining is greater than 0, then velocity is going to equal knockback velocity. I'll just put it to do, like, is this a good way to do this? Because, like, I don't know. It's kind of just, like, the first thing that comes to my mind, so... Because I don't really want to spend too much time thinking about that. Thanks, Epic Video Gamer. You have a good day, too. I forget where... Sorry, I forget where I'm applying the knockback. I think I'm projecting. Yeah, here we go. In class, I was making a Python game with apples falling from the sky, and there was a weird bug where if you caught one, all the ones to the left would also be caught. Only to the ones to the left, not to the right. I'm your average Discord user, school dropout. I know nothing about coding. That's fine too. Yeah, I just need to do this one thing, and then I'm going back to like sprites, which is easier to follow. Yeah, maybe that's fine for now. So knockback velocity is going to equal knockback, and then knockback time remaining is going to equal like 1. Let's see how that works. My streams also keep getting randomly like demonetized for certain like for certain songs, so I don't know why. Each song that plays, I'm just hoping that like this one isn't gonna do it. Also, I'm so happy I finally updated this plugin I was using for like managing dialogue, because it like randomly used to always cause this bug where like when I started running the game, it would just basically crash it. But like since I updated it, it seems like that's finally fixed, which was so annoying to me. Yeah, seems like we're not getting it anymore. That's nice. Okay, so now when we hit the enemy, okay, what the heck? No, that definitely broke stuff more. Pet mechanic 1, cute little dog cat you can tame with a certain item when you encounter them in battle. Okay, I actually had that in the Unity version. I don't know if you saw my, like, last video, like, 7 months ago or whatever. So I had that, but I haven't added that into the Godot version yet. Because I basically had to, like, switch engines that I was using for this. Am I still dropping frames? Like, I'm looking at OBS and it says I dropped, like I was, like my stream was lagging for a bit. I think it is fine now though, hopefully. Yeah, we seem to be good now. The slimes are all jumping at the same time. What jam are they listening to? Probably Mario. Okay, why did that do that? Oh wait, okay, knockback time remaining. Nice equals stealth 7. Okay, as soon as I say I'm glad that's working now, it stops working again. Okay. Like, this is the dialogue manager bug again. Whatever. Okay, let's see if that fixes that. Yeah, but I think the velocity needs to be like, I don't know, 10 times faster. Switching engines is always a fun experience. Yeah. Not really, but... Oh my god, the dialogue error again? God, that's so annoying. Whatever. Hey, Paul. No, the slime was not alright. Thank you for asking. Okay, I see what's happening. Okay, that should fix that. Okay, yeah. That's better. It's like way too long though. Needs to be like a quarter of a second maybe. Oh my god, dialogue manager. I'm gonna like... I don't even know. Yeah, okay, that's a little better now. That's good. Nice. Oh, what time is it for you? It's 5:50. Wait, is that right? 5:54, I think? Wait, okay, wait, I need to stop this. I think this is the song that got me demonetized last stream. It's probably gonna do it again, but whatever. Yeah, I really wish I knew why that dialogue manager plugin was like so buggy. Like, it's genuinely so annoying. Pro puts the most nostalgic jams on every time. I try. So like, okay, I feel like it needs to be faster, but like last for shorter time, so let's try that. Oh, dialogue manager. Yeah, that's better. Okay, I feel like it should... Like, it should start fast and then get slower. What is this actually from? This sounds familiar. Oh, Super Paper Mario? I don't think I actually played that game. So I want to make the velocity like... I guess decrease from like the initial and then eventually get to 0. Okay, see you, William. Thanks for coming. Okay, a variable called knockback duration that's set to 0.125. And then we can also make one for like knockback speed. Let's also make these private because they don't actually need to be public, but So this is gonna be like knockback velocity dot like lerp, which is linear interpolate, to vector 2.0, and then the weight is gonna be like I guess knockback time remaining over knockback duration. And I mean, that should make it gradually slow down as it is pushed back. Should be fine. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, I think that's better. Hello, was this channel called something else at some point? I don't recall subbing. No, it's always been called Next Program. I haven't posted in like a million years, so you probably just forgot, honestly. I need to post more. So yeah, we'll actually export these variables so like they'll be editable in the inspector. But anyways, let me try making the knockback duration actually like a quarter of a second again. No, actually, okay, I don't want to make it longer. I want to make it faster. Let's try that. Yeah, something like that is good, I think. Yeah, I like how that looks. Okay, just making a note to myself about that. So now... Armadillo dot a sprite. This can be bowl.a sprite. Demon.a sprite. Spider.a sprite. Wraith.a sprite. Okay. Not really sure where to start with these. Do you ever worry about spoiling too much of the game during live streams? I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't spoil too much. The pixel art is insane, by the way. Thank you. These 5 were made by Vex, the pixel artist I've been working with to make a few of the monster sprites. Glad you like them though. Yeah, so I kind of need to get these into a format that I can use in the game, first of all. And the artist gave me a couple, like, variations to choose from. And the difference between these two is, like, the... So what I asked for was basically, like, a fire bowl, kind of. I feel like I like the bottom, like, the idea of the bottom one more, but I might change up, like, how it actually looks a little bit. Yeah, this one I might change up a little bit too. I'm not sure exactly how I want to do it though. And I'm not a huge fan of like the texture of the cloth on this one. But anyways, I don't know, it's kind of hard to like tell how it'll look before you actually put it in somewhere. See how that looks. Oh, forgot to change the scene. Yeah, I think that's not bad. I think I might just do a second pass over it and make like a stronger, like a more contrasting outline to make it fit in better with the rest of the sprites. I think I do like this one the best of these 5 though. Yeah, I think something like that would be good. Yeah, I think that looks a bit more like the sprites that I made. Wait. I might just take this color actually. Probably fits in a little bit better. Does this look better actually? I'm not sure it really does. I feel like it's maybe a little bit too dark. How about this one? Is that an improvement? I don't know. Yeah, I can't tell if I actually made that better or not. Yeah, I think I like that a little better. Bro, it's 3 AM here. Why am I watching this? For the armadillos, probably. Good armadillo content. Always time for armadillos. Looks nice, thank you. Glad you like it. Yeah, this is gonna be one of the bosses in the game. I want to make a basic idle animation for this one, for this guy too. But before I do that, I should probably make sure I'm happy with how it looks. I don't know if I am though, that's the problem. Never mind. I don't like this kind of gradient we have going on here. Could I just take that out? Okay, that seems like too sharp now. Can I replace that color with this? These two different colors, what the heck? Eh. It's fine. I don't want to spend too much time on this. Mew and Armadillo. Yeah, Koso, what's up? Epic. Thank you. I do try to be. Having a raspberry smoothie at the moment. That sounds good. My day's been good at least. Had a snow day today, so didn't have to go to class. Still had to go online though, which is kind of a scam. No school, yippee! I don't know, I feel like for an idle animation it can kind of just like crouch down a little bit. I don't know, and then I guess for this one... Works well, looks great, also very cute armadillo friend. Thank you. Not made by me, but I'm adapting it a little bit. And adding some animations to it. It's actually going to be a boss, so not quite a friend, but close enough. How does that look? Wait, okay, that's a bit too fast. Oops. Yeah. I feel like it would be good if the tail also curved a little bit. Give the armadillo a cannon. There's an idea. Yeah, I kind of like that actually. Like, I feel like you might be onto something. What sort of attacks is he gonna have? What I have so far is like he rolls at the player. But yeah, maybe like also shooting projectiles would be good. So like the cannon idea, I kind of like that. I don't like how the tail does that. Maybe like that? Can't tell if that looks weird or not, but... Oh, I didn't mean to save it like that. Whatever. But yeah, like I said, I don't want to spend too much time on this, so... Oops. So I think that is good enough for now. Sure. Okay, what would a cannon look like though? Like, just a concept. I'm gonna write that down for later because I kind of like that. Bro, where have I been? Don't know. It's a good question. Yeah, I think that fits pretty well. Like with the rest of the world. Big fan of your Trello organization. Thank you. I put like way too much time into that. It's actually a Notion board that I like customized way too much. This is the hard part about making art for me because like I spend too long staring at it and then I can't tell if it actually like looks good anymore. And like I didn't even make this, I just modified it. I think it's fine. Yeah, I think it's fine. Okay, no, I just realized that part's weird. Because it should move when it comes down, not when it's going up. That makes no sense. Yeah, I like that better. Okay. Armadillo. Entities, sure. collision shape 2D. Then we need a animated sprite 2D. This should have boss. Yeah, boss script. What does this guy have? He has a path. Oh, I already have a boss prefab. Man, it's 8:30 here. It's already pitch black outside. Yeah, the sunset here at like 4 or 5 o'clock. It's so annoying. Hey, Line Away, what's up? A boss fight is approaching. Just saw a sort of coding game, so yeah, joined. Doing great, thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, I mean, I should probably just make a child of the boss scene, not like make its own. At least for now. Can't override scene that is still open. Where is it? Okay. Add armadillo plus vexed sprites. So animated sprite 2D. You also need animation. So I need to add frames from sheet. I need to go to armadillo. Size is 32 by 32. Let's add these 3. Yeah, I think that looks not bad. Let's rename this idle. Let's move its collision a little bit. Make it a little bigger. Okay, that's not really accurate enough. It's fine for now. Path is still here. Weapon parent player. Sure, okay. Let's come in here, let's get rid of this guy. Don't need that guy any longer. Now, let's add armadillo in here. Let's see how that looks. absolutely vibing to this music. Yeah, me too. Ah, what are we near? Oh. Forgot one thing. Armadillo. Mob data. New mob data. Base max health 10. Name Armadillo. Description. It's an armadillo. And the rest of the stuff we don't care about right now. Yeah, Mario music is a little too good sometimes. Description moment. Okay, there he is. I want you to start playing the animation at the start though. Also, why is there another error? Okay, that's a fake error. Animation looping, yes. Autoplay on low, there we go. There we go. It's our armadillo! He's in there. What do we think? Good? Is he scary? Scary enough to be a boss? Let's also take this shadow and move it down a bit. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, that's okay. Cool. Set up Armadillo boss. Cool, so now we got that guy. What else do we have? Okay, the bull. What do we want to do with you? Okay, I think I do like the bottom version better, but I want to fix up the horns a little bit because I'm not a huge fan of them. So what is the... Interesting. Okay, I want to fix up the idle animation too a bit. I think the sprite is mostly fine. I might just, to make it more consistent with the rest of my art, might just go around it with a consistent color outline. Should be fine. Any keepers in chat? So me. Hello. I keep all the herbs. I'm a keeper of my sanity, nice. I think the thing I'm not a huge fan of is like how many colors there are. Keeper, I hardly know her. It's just like when I make pixel art, I usually try to use like as few colors as possible. So I think that's why some of these still look like a little bit inconsistent with the rest of the sprites in the game. I think overall it looks okay though. I might just redraw these like horns though, because I'm not. I don't know, they just don't look right. I might also just redraw the whole idle animation too, because I don't really like the one that's already there. Oops, I just deleted the wrong one. Static. Hello. I want to get into game dev and was wondering if making an iOS game is a good way to get into it. Yeah, I think that's not a bad idea. Only thing I would be careful of is like if you want to put an app on the App Store, you have to pay like yearly fees. And if you're trying to make money from it, that might make it did I just delete the wrong one again? Wait, what am I doing? That might make it a little more difficult, so kind of just look into that first. But if you're just doing it for fun, then yeah, I think that's good. Okay, what can we do with these horns? Drawing fire is like already very difficult. Why is my keyboard not working anymore? Hello? What's going on? Yeah, I want to do it for fun because I think going for profit can create a toxic mindset of success. Yeah, fair enough. Yeah, I think it's a good idea then. And that kind of thing is nice because like you can also really easily share it with people because so many people have iPhones. I'm just gonna reopen this. What is going on with my keyboard? It's still not working. What the heck? Is that just... Yeah, that's just A spray that's doing that. That's really weird. Yeah, other people are having this problem too. It's kind of weird. Apparently when my keyboard is set to my language instead of English. Am I set to English? I think I am. Yeah, I mean, I think I'm on English. I don't know what else I would be on. But I have zero experience in any type of programming, sadly, and every video I find is the most boring and uninspiring stuff I've seen. Yeah. Yeah, just gotta start with something. It gets more interesting the more you do it, I would say. Oh, it's working now, what the heck? Okay, let's just make this all a solid color to start. And then, I don't know, we can do like a highlight with the... I don't know, it looks bad, but I think it looks a little better than before. Maybe look into some game jams. They only go for a short time period, so you're not committing a lot to it, but you get a fun project out of it. Yeah, that's very good advice too. I learned a lot from the few game jams I've done. And it kind of teaches you like a really good skill, which is like making small plans and then just like actually finishing something. Because like probably one of the biggest problems making a game is like scope creep. Like you keep wanting to add new features, but having a set deadline is like very, very good for keeping you from doing that. Well, I feel like I need to know how to code in some aspect before I do a game jam, but I've seen a lot, and it seems like a lot of fun. Yeah, you don't necessarily. I mean, like, you could also do a game jam where you, like, follow some game tutorial and then, like, just modify it a little bit. So, I don't know. You could follow, like, someone's tutorial for making, like, a snake clone in Godot, and then, like, just... You could even get that done in like one day and then spend the rest of the time on the jam like learning how to modify the game and like try and make it your own thing. I think that would be a pretty good idea for getting into this stuff. Okay. Do I have any tips on becoming a multi-millionaire game dev? Yeah, I think if I did, I would probably be using them myself already, but... I don't know, like... I'm hoping that just like continuing to work hard will eventually lead to success, but I guess we'll see. Since I still haven't really made any money from game development yet. I mean, besides like my YouTube income, but like that doesn't really count. Like, since I haven't really sold any games before, I guess like purely on game dev, I haven't really made any money, so. Consistency, yeah, it's very true. Okay, how are we thinking? Yeah, I think this looks pretty nice. Yeah. Okay, also looking at the armadillo again, like the idle animation I just made, I'm kind of liking it more. It's like he's vibing. Okay, let's make an idle for this one. Me when the armadillo is wiggle. Sure. So me. Yeah, I mean, I guess he can kind of just like... crouch down? Is that a good spot to crouch? I don't really know. I guess we'll see. Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay. Then for this frame, let's bring that back and then just bring the head down. Is Keeper a Texan? Yeah, I think he must be if he's wrangling armadillos and bulls. This is basically Texas already. Sam, the bull should paw at the ground. That's very true, actually. Yeah, I should do that. Texas Simulator. Dude, bull's paw, hoof. Is this a good simulation of Texas for the people who live there? I don't know. I've never been to Texas. I would say so. As someone who lives in Australia, yes. Okay, good to know. For my two reliable sources. Oh, too fast. Yeah, I think in this part, this, like, hump on its back, whatever this is, should also go down a little bit. Anyone know what this thing is? Oh, what the? Oh, did I move that to the left on accident? What did I just do? No? Why does that look so weird? It looks like it's moving to the left. Should I also move it to the right then? Would that offset this weirdness? Burger? Let me just undo that for now. Can I just make, like, part of it go down? I'm, like, confusing myself with this somehow. Okay, how bad would this look? No, I feel like it looked better before. I don't know. It's fine for now. Sure. Okay, what would pawing the ground look like, though? That's the other question I have. Did they kind of just like do that kind of thing? Okay, I'm gonna shelve that for now because I feel like that's gonna be too time consuming. Needs a dust cloud, yeah. Very true. Yeah, maybe I'll do a second pass on it later to see if I need to make the animations look better. Or add a bowl pawing animation. Bowl. Sprite. Idle. Bowl. Bowl. 36. No, not 36. These are 48. You ever seen someone use such big sprites? 48 pixels? All in a row? Okay. It's good. The collision needs to be... Okay, I did not mean... Okay, that's like the annoying thing about Godot. Okay, so if I make a capsule shape, right? Can this not be like a horizontal capsule? It has to be a vertical one. That's very annoying. Godot horizontal capsule 2D. Has no one been asking for this yet? Or am I just missing something? Whatever. It's fine for now. Okay, let's delete that. Let's add in bowl. Put you over here. Oh, did you select the rotate tool? Okay, that's actually a very good point. I did not. Yeah, not bad. I kind of like it. Cool. The sound keeps cutting out? Is it? Is that happening for anyone else? I don't know why that would be happening. Oops. Oh yeah, okay. Also need to set the data. Item name, bowl. Description, it's a bowl. Should fix that. Okay. PNG, import, scene. Yeah, let's do that suggestion. Okay. Rotate 90 degrees. Okay, that's much better. Thank you to Vi for suggesting that. Still cutting out? Is anyone else having that? I don't see why that would be happening. Okay, I think my Wi-Fi just disconnected or something. It should be back though. Yeah, okay, it seems like it's working again. I don't know why the Wi-Fi just stopped, but... Yeah, let me know if it's good now. Yeah, I mean, it says I don't have any dropped frames now, and I had like a bunch a minute ago, so I assume I should be good now. Excellent connection. Supposedly. Oh, why am I dropping frames again? Okay, but now I'm not, like... Okay, I'm gonna try connecting to a different Wi-Fi. Hopefully that fixes this. Yeah, I don't know if it's working now. I think it's... Oh, I'm dropping frames again. Why is this happening? I don't know, is it working now?